Please and thank you, words so kind. They show respect, so keep in mind.
Hi there, Emma's back. And today, she's learning how to ask for things kindly. Let's find out how she does it. At school, Emma sat down to draw. But oh no, she forgot her crayons. She turned to her friend Leo and said, "May I borrow some crayons, please?" Leo smiled. "Sure, just don't break the tips like last time." Emma giggled. "I'll be super careful this time." Later, on the playground, Emma really wanted a turn on the swing. Her friend Ava had been swinging for a while. Emma didn't pout. She didn't push. She stood nearby and said, "Could you please let me have a turn when you're done?" Ava nodded. "Okay, 5 more swings, then it's your turn." Emma counted 1, 2, 3. When her turn came, she said, "Thank you." Back in class, the glue bottle was across the table. Instead of reaching over like a spaghetti noodle, Emma smiled and asked, "Could someone please pass the glue?" Her table buddy Max slid it over. "Here you go." "Thanks, Max," said Emma. By the end of the day, Emma had asked politely again and again, and every time someone was happy to help. Because when you say, "May I?" and "Could you please?" you're not just asking for something, you're showing kindness and respect. Now it's your turn. Let's sing about polite requests together.
Mini sounds for growing minds. Please and thank you, words so kind. They show respect, so keep in mind. Polite words, polite to say. Kindness brightens every day. May I borrow, could you please? Polite requests bring hearts at ease. Polite words, polite to say. Kindness brightens every day. Excuse me, sorry, words so true. Show respect in all we do. Polite words, polite to say. Kindness brightens every day. May I borrow, could you please? Polite requests bring